This man heard very strange sounds coming from under his house, and when he discovered what it was, he immediately called the police. James had lived in this house for many years in Portland, Oregon, and he had no idea that a terrible secret was hidden right under his feet. One day, as he was returning from work and parked his car in front of his house, he heard a strange noise coming from beneath it. Not knowing what could be happening, he quickly went inside, but the strange noises only grew louder. Concerned, James got down on the floor to listen more closely and became convinced that the sounds were indeed coming from under his house. Feeling desperate and scared, he called his wife, and together they began to investigate. It was at that moment that they found a secret door, a kind of hatch in the floor. Even though he was terrified, James decided to go down to find out what was happening. When he discovered what was underneath his house, he immediately called the police. Comment home